Thanks for choosing Lumir Clinic. This video will help you navigate how to register with us. Download our app and submit your inquiry. You only have to undertake this process once as part of our onboarding. Start off by visiting lumirclinic.co.uk and click on the eligibility button. You'll be asked to answer 3 short eligibility questions in order to make sure you're not contraindicated for medical cannabis. If you meet our eligibility criteria, we need to gather some personal information from you, like your name, email, date of birth, and condition type. In terms of condition type, simply start typing in the condition box and select your condition. If you can't find your condition, make sure that you're not using an acronym, so type irritable bowel syndrome rather than IBD. Next, we ask you to give us permission to share your medical records with us. We securely obtain these through our pharmacy partner, Pharmacy Express. Rest assured, we will never share these records with anyone. You can, of course, opt to get your own medical records from the NHS app or your GP. However, this might result in delays to your first consultation being booked. If you consent to us obtaining your medical records, you will need to supply your current address. This address must match the address that you have registered with your GP. You will then be directed to an overview of the process moving forward. Download the Lumir app from the App Store if you're an Apple user, or from the Play Store if you use Android. By scanning the QR code on the screen with your phone camera, you will automatically be routed to the correct App Store based on your device type. Once you have downloaded the app, click on Create Account. You'll be asked to re-enter some personal information. This is because the app is linked directly to our clinical system. Once you've completed the personal information and set a password, you'll need to return to the home screen and log in with the email and password provided. Please note, all passwords must contain at least 1 capital letter, 1 special character, and be a minimum of 8 characters long. When you have logged in, you'll need to complete the eligibility section. Next, you'll need to upload a legible copy of your passport or driver's to prove your identity. Simply click Upload and you can add a photo from your camera roll. Then navigate back to the home screen to complete the address section. Once you've completed all of this information, simply submit your inquiry and we'll obtain your medical records and be back in touch via email to invite you to book your first consultation. This will normally take 2 to 3 working days. Also, feel free to watch part 2 of this series to learn how to book your appointment, join your consultation call, and request repeat prescriptions. And remember, if you get stuck along the way, we're here to help. Simply mail hello@lumirclinic.co.uk with any questions.